The next search app that we're going to learn about comes to us from our Science LibGuide. Notice that on any of our Science LibGuides, you will find the Science in Context search widget. Let's go directly to that and see what we can find. So here we are in Science in Context. It should look very similar to our history databases because they are all made by Gale. Notice it gives us all kinds of main topics that we could choose because they are in the news recently. Or of course we can do our search at the top. So I'm going to look at fracking, which is a topic important to Pennsylvania. And it gives me again a main topic page so I can learn all about it. And then lots of different articles, image, news, videos, and so on to help me understand this particular topic in its context. Over here, again, I can see the list of everything it has to offer me on that particular topic, and I could choose to simply jump to those items right now. So let's say I go to the videos page, and I could choose any of these videos and watch them as they are right here. I could go back to the reference articles and learn more about what's going on with hydraulic fracturing. So let's take a look at the article. Notice another cool feature is that I could choose to listen to the article itself. So let's click on that.
Hydraulic fracturing. Hydraulic fracturing is a process by which pressurized fluid
And so you have an example of how the listen feature works, which is really cool and can help you understand articles that are written with lots of high vocabulary like some of these may be. Don't forget also that the great features that we learned about in the history database, such as being able to export to Noodle Tools, is there, as well as being able to download directly to our Google Drive. That option is there as well. And don't forget that you can also highlight and take notes. So let's say I wanted to grab the definition of highlighting. Oops, I have to close my read speaker first. There we go. And then it will let me highlight. And I want to highlight in purple. And then I want to take a note. And I could make my note here. And of course hit save. And then it notes that I have a highlighted note here. And if I click on that, it will print it out. It tells you what text you've highlighted and what your notes were. Of course, I've just typed nonsense, but you would have a real note there. So that's just a quick tour of our Science in Context.